Env431. So welcome to week one. Yay, week one. All right. Now, again, environmental policy is vital for you to understand. These are the tools that you use to implement the laws that we all live by. All right. As an environmental scientist, these are the tools that you have to abide by or implement. Okay. So this week, this class runs a little bit differently than some of the others. We have no quizzes and no technical texts. We do, however, have collaborative discussions. So you've got two discussions, all right? You've got your regular discussion, primary response due by Thursday, 2 replies by Monday. Those are standard, you know how to do those. These collaborative discussions are a little bit different. We've broken you up into teams. I'm trying to make the teams a little bit smaller to make the discussions a little bit easier, okay? You must complete those on time. There is no benefit to you or your teammate if you complete them late. So please, remember, the work that is based off of those collaborative discussions is due on Monday, which means you can't be completing a collaborative discussion on Monday night when your summative is due that same night, because you will have zero impact on, you'll have zero benefit, and you'll give zero benefit to your teammate. So make sure you get those done earlier, okay? I will be in there in case your teammate ghosts you. I will be in there to try to help out with some of this, okay? So this week you have a memo. Now, memos are this is a deliverable, so make sure you keep this. Keep this around. This is a professional document that you can show to future employers that you know how to write an official memo. Okay? So there's standard formatting that you have to abide by. Now, we have provided you with specific instructions on how to actually complete the data gathering and the analysis, and we've also provided you with step by step, subdivided, subsectioned out questions that you have to model, i.e. we've given you a template there, right there. Those instructions, after the instruction that you copy the link or that you get the link from, those set of things that you have to answer that says these are subsections in your memo, those are subsections in your memo, all right? Your memo must include those because, again, professional behavior, what you practice here, you will use more readily, and it will be already a habit out in the real world, okay? So practice here. That's why discussions have paragraphs, because you need to learn how to use paragraphs, but also why you are practicing subsectioning, okay? So answer and fill in all those subsections, okay, based on your data that you're going to be gathering, okay? So this is specific to you, okay? This is you thinking about your community and some of the issues that your community is facing and how you can make a policy change, okay? Policy changes, well, they're kind of difficult. I was part of a policy change. It took us several years to get a small policy changed or made when I was a regulator for the oil fields. It is an arduous process, but it is an important process, okay? So be prepared. These things take time. This is just one of these steps, okay? So be careful on what you choose. In theory, you're going to be using this, you can be using the one in your discussion, in your collaborative discussion, or you can choose another one as the instructions tell you. However, whichever one you choose, you're going to be revisiting this throughout the class, okay? This class is really, again, we've designed it for your professional development, and it will help you practice how to be an environmental science professional, all right? So this first step is writing a memo. Follow the steps in the outline and then create it based on the subsections. If you have any questions, let me know. Again, make sure you are in those collaborative discussions with your team early, All right? Thanks for being here. All the best.